This is the outfit that I'm wearing today. Hi. Hi. A bit here. Psst, psst, psst. My cat. Oh my god, this cat, you guys. Ce vrei, mama? Vrei în casă? I don't know if you can hear, guys, but my cats want every day in the house, but that is not possible. Oh my god. I've noticed that we have new neighbors and they have kids, so I can hear them every day screaming their lungs out. Yeah. In this video I'm going to do a review for this BB cream, moisturizing petite BB cream with SPF 30, and it's from Holika Holika. But I'm not going to use setting powder all over my face because my face is very dry usually, so yeah, let's get started. First I'm going to apply some face cream. A little bit. My face is so dry. I'm going to shake it a little bit. And today I'm going to use this ultimate blending brush from e.l.f. After, I'm going out to buy some beauty products from a mall. I don't know how much my camera will show, but I already apply a layer. I applied another layer, guys, because I wanted to see the level of coverage. I think it is a little buildable, but the coverage is kind of like light medium coverage. I can still see my freckles. And now to fix better the BB cream, I'm going to use this little beauty blender, and I'm going to tap again in the areas where usually we crease first. Under eye, here the sides of the nose, on the smile line, between our eyebrows. Apply a little bit of setting powder in the same areas. From Catrice Glow Illusion Loose Powder line. Here. Yes, yes. And a little bit to 2:42 p.m. And this is the condition of the BB cream right now. Usually I don't wear blush, but I'm going to use this one from Golden Rose. If you're interested, it's in the shade 207. Try some blush. Okay, so I'm done. I don't know how much my phone will show. This is how it looks like in natural light. I'm going to do a stick test right now. As you can see, it's not that sticky. The transfer test, let's see. Hello. It transfers, and to be honest, with many products for the face, you will get the same results if you don't set your foundation or BB cream. Hello guys. Currently So yeah, this is how the BB cream looks on my face after 8 hours of wearing it. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, just let me know in the comments below, or if you already tried it, tell me about your thoughts. It works. It doesn't look that bad, and only if you look like very close to my face, which just doesn't happen because no one is going to come and look into your pores, you know. And what can I say? I'm sure if I will apply loose powder all over my face, it will stay much better. So if you want to give it a try, give it a try and tell me what you think about